Work out your own salvation with fear.
Hey guys, it's Casey. Welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, thank you so much for stopping by. Today we're going to use some new stickers that are available in my shop called Patchwork Spring. This is my personal journal, and actually I already decorated the spread in my planner. That's why you see an undated kind of generic vertical layout, because I want to recreate it for you. But this is the classic size Vertical Happy Planner. And I sat down last night and just decorated my planner like old times. No pressure to get it filmed. And I love the way it turned out. So we are recreating what I decorated last night for you guys. So we're going to start out with kit number 2. Uh-oh, that's crooked. And we're just going to lay these little, they look like little ripped pages. And then I'm just going to kind of rip this. And we're going to put one up at the top up here. So, I've been contemplating ways I need to pivot. I need to pivot planning and my shop. So there'll probably be some changes coming in April to what is available in the shop, and I don't know, just a lot of changes. I'm just I'm really burnt out on what I'm doing right now. So changes coming soon to the shop. Let's see, I gotta try to remember how I did this. Yeah, I'm not sure exactly what will change yet, but I do know that there will be some changes coming. I am contemplating doing the digital stickers again, that you can either print and cut with scissors or take the PNG file and cut on your Cricut yourself. Not sure yet. Like I said, just contemplating some changes to the shop. So stay tuned for that. I need a change. I need a break. But I don't know yet. I just don't know. Everything's up in the air. I said on my last video, one of my last videos, that everything is fluid with my shop and my channel, and because this is a hobby, I didn't start this as a career. I didn't start this as a business. I started this as a hobby to share, and it's turned into a business, and it's not enjoyable anymore. So just need to pivot. I don't know exactly, like I said, what pivot we are going to be pivoting, but something is going to change soon. So stay tuned for changes. Come on. I love this Patchwork Spring design. It is adorable. Let's see. I think I'm going to continue, when I do pivot, I'm going to continue with the same planners. I don't know. I'm even contemplating switching that up. I just don't know yet what I'm going to do. So lots of things to think about and pray about and decide on. But it's time for a change. It's time for an adjustment. Long overdue. I've been really burnt out on printing and cutting stickers for the last couple years now. I've just kind of stuck with it because I know a lot of you guys are depending on me for that, and I've just pushed through, but I think it's just time for a change. So we'll see what happens. I really do love these kits. Y'all let me know in the comments below. So I know I tried to do the whole digital thing one time before, and it made a lot of people upset, and it's probably going to upset a lot of people again. I'm okay with that. I hate that you know, my choices may upset people, but it's like I said, this is my hobby, not my career. But y'all let me know in the comments below. Do you have a printer and a Cricut machine or a cutting machine so that you could use some files from my shop and create your own stickers? With this economy, I think that is the most economical way to do things. And then with the whole shipping fiasco, ugh, there's still some packages that haven't been delivered yet from February. So that's a whole nother situation. But yeah, let me know in the comments below if you have the availability, if you have a printer and a cutting machine and are interested in doing this yourself. So what I would do is, if I do go that way, I would make a video like step-by-step instructions on how to use my files and put them into Cricut Design Space and all that fun stuff, so it won't be like throwing you out to the wolves. So if you want to start, if you want to learn, now would be the time to learn how to do your own stickers. So that's just something that I am leaning towards, because I mean, let's be honest, I've been doing this since 2019, so 7 years. I think July will be 7 years. I've been through multiple Cricut machines. I use 4 at a time right now. I have used 6 at a time before. I've been through probably, I'd say, 8 Cricut machines. My Mac computer, which is only like 2 years old, is now dragging behind. Will barely run my Cricut software. I don't know if that's a Cricut issue, because they keep updating and taking up more RAM on the computers because of all their updates. But I get discouraged when I'm trying to fill orders, and I know you guys are depending on me for orders and whatnot, and so I get discouraged when I have so many issues. My Cricut machines are wearing thin. All of that stuff costs money. I cannot afford to replace my Mac, because like I said, it's only like 2 years old, and it was expensive. I want to say it was like $1,500. I can't afford to replace a Mac every 2 years at that price. So I don't know. Just stick with me. There's a lot of things, like I said, that I'm contemplating and thinking about. If you have any suggestions or comments, let me know down in the comment section. I'm always open for ideas, and to be honest, I would love for life to be a lot like easier, smoother, more smooth, if that makes sense. As far as the shop, I would prefer, like, so if I do, I'll just be honest, if I do printables, I literally make those one time and they just continue to sell themselves. I don't have to touch them ever again. So if I do like the physical printed stickers, then of course I have to constantly print and cut and ship and all that fun stuff, and so it's not fun. I don't know, I'm rambling here, but I'm just kind of batting ideas off at you guys. I would love your input. I just really just want to get back to playing in my planners and doing videos and enjoying my planners again. I want it to be a hobby again and not a job. So I don't know yet what to do. So input is greatly appreciated from you guys. Well, let me know how you feel about all that in the comments. And like I said, I know some of you guys are going to be so disappointed, but it is what it is. All right, let's see. I'm trying to, like I said, recreate what I've got going on here. I love how this spread turned out. I was like, I have got to share this with you guys because it turned out so cute. And this is just perfect for spring. It's just so colorful and so pretty. Just perfect. All right, let's see. Let's use you and you. I'm also going to use these stickers to decorate my horizontal layout. So I'll show you how you can get multiple planner spreads out of one set of stickers, which is great. All right, let's see. What else do we got going on here? I really want to get back into the Write the Word too. I got overwhelmed. February, of course, I had the flu. We were sick. Just lifed in February, and so I wasn't able to, well, I didn't get to the Write the Word like I wanted to. So I really want to get back to writing the Word and sharing a scripture writing plan with you guys. I really want to focus on like scripture study and things like that too. So I don't know. We'll see what happens with So Gracefully Broken here. All right, let's see. I took this one. I love the way this turned out. It's so fun. It's so cute. I also want to, instead of always being the producer of planner things, I want to be a consumer of planner things. I want to get back to buying the fun, cute planner stickers and things from other shops and other companies and decorating my planners and spreads with those as well. So, yeah, just lots of things for me to think about here. I'm going to go ahead and put the days of the week up here, even though this is undated, just to show you what it will look like with the kit here. Ugh, can't get this off. How's the weather where y'all are? It is fake spring this week. It's like in the 80s. It is so pretty and sunny outside. And then I think next week it's going to be like in the 50s. But we get a little glimpse of spring with all the pollen. You can hear me sniffling. 'Tis the season for allergies. Look how cute that is. All right, and so what I'm going to do real quick is draw. I'm going to use this stencil, Line It Up, Check It Off stencil from the Happy Planner. I cut it once upon a time. And then I'm going to take my pen and just draw in some lines here. All right, look how cute this is. I love it. All right, so I think that was everything. Now I'm going to use these leftover stickers in my next video to decorate a horizontal spread. So stay tuned for that. These stickers are available in my shop at 𝗨𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏. So that is it for this video. I thank you guys so much for watching. I love y'all, and I'll see you on the next one. Bye, guys.